What if I told you the easiest sewing projects are the ones that make people think you've been sewing for years? Because today, we're diving into small, easy things to sew that look impressive, but are actually simple, beginner-friendly, and perfect for using what you already have at home. I found some of these ideas scrolling Pinterest, and I've linked a Pinterest board in the description so you can check out the inspiration and patterns for yourself, because some of these are too good not to try. And as we go through each one, I want you to tell me which project you would actually make. Because once we hit 100 votes on a favorite, I might just recreate the winning one in my own style. So whether you've got 5 minutes, a scrap pile, or just enough motivation to finally start something, grab your fabric, fire up that sewing machine, and let's turn small, simple ideas into something seriously satisfying. If you've ever felt like you don't have enough time to sew, this is where that story changes, because today is all about 5-minute creativity, the kind that fits into real life, not some perfect schedule. These small, easy projects are proof that you don't need hours, you don't need a giant setup, and you definitely don't need to be an expert to create something that feels good and looks amazing. Sometimes all it takes is a scrap of fabric, a simple idea, and a few minutes of focus to turn nothing into something you're actually proud of. And here's the part people don't talk about enough. Those quick little projects build confidence faster than anything else. Because you're finishing something, you're seeing results, and you're reminding yourself that you can do this. That feeling adds up, and before you know it, those 5-minute moments turn into real creative momentum. If you're enjoying this and want more ideas that are simple, fun, and actually doable, make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. And check the description for my tutorial video list where I break down the basic sewing skills that make these projects even easier. I've also linked more related videos so you can keep the creativity going without overthinking it. The goal here is not perfection, it's progress, it's joy. And it's proving to yourself that even on your busiest days, you can still create something meaningful. So pick one small idea from this video, give yourself 5 minutes, and just start. Because you might be surprised how far those 5 minutes can take you. When you're done, go ahead and watch the next video. I'll see you there.